up, guys? I got the crew in the back seat. I'm about to go somewhere. No, I'm just playing. So, we're gonna go on a nature walk. See the creek, right? See the creek. And see how high it is. So, we're going on a trip. Watch me, Nene, watch me. It's like, no, I'm just fine. But, we're going. Which way? See how high the creek is? It's gonna be fun. Tell them the story from last night, Lauren.
Oh, yesterday we were walking and my mom said lit. And then...
She said what?
She said the word lit.
Lit?
Because she said this path is more lit. And then right once you know it, the lights went off.
Ah, classic, isn't that? So they ran back.
I was scared to death.
To the house, which was hilarious. She was out of breath. I wasn't, because I didn't go. I just walked around the
You were
block
too
with
scared.
them. And the next thing you know, they're like, oh, let's go walk at the park. No.
At nighttime.
So, you need to walk fast. So, here we are. Not that fast. Lauren, let me just hold it. Ow, because you're going to get my... Because you're short. And you're going to get my hair stuck on it. She doesn't understand. It's what? Bird poop?
Murky.
What is murky?
Like brownish, cloudy looking.
Ew, guys.
If you drop your iPod in there, then mommy and daddy want to.
They would... This is so fun!
See?
I would get myself a new one. I wouldn't? What?
You need your responsibility.
Like $5,000? 500? More? 400?
Huh? I can see your house too.
So can I.
So can I.
Good observation, Jaden.
See our house right over here.
Ew, ew. I just stepped in a bunch of mud.
Alright, be careful, guys.
Lauren, so should I name this video Nature Walk?
Yes.
Nature Walk.
Okay.
Oh my gosh! Look at that! Look at that.
It
Excuse
never
me.
usually looks like that.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. It's excuse.
What did I say?
You're spilling rain on my head.
That's not me.
Yes.
Look at that. Bruh. No. Look at this.
Don't go down there. You'll slip and fall.
Wow!
Mommy, I can swim and I can stand up in the water.
That would be disgusting.
And I would need it nice and...
But look over there. Like, you see? Oh, wait.
Oh, can I skip rocks?
No.
Where's the rocks?
Well, I mean, if we find some,
Oh, let's go get some rocks, guys.
some rocks in. Well, I think the rocks are over on the other side.
I know.
But
On that
we
side?
gotta walk around because that's gonna be all muddy.
Lauren, we have to walk around that way.
And
But-
then we can see if we can find some rocks over on the other
Mom,
side.
that would just be pointless because then we can't even skip rocks because that way over there it's
Well,
low.
you can just throw some rocks in there.
Oh.
Lauren and Jaden, get up here.
'Kay.
Jaden, get up here.
Because when you guys skip and fall,
Here,
I
let me
won't be
see if I
saving
can
you
get
all. Sorry. So I'll be back when we get to skip rocks. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. Started coming down a little harder, but here's some rocks. Gonna get some more from here. Yeah. So I'm just gonna hold this. And pick some rocks up. Picking the rocks up. Okay, got some. And I don't want to touch my iPod because my fingers are like all muddy. So I'm just gonna I'm holding it now. I'm not but see, I got a piece of mud and I just dropped a rock on it. It's like multitasking. So I'm gonna go throw some rocks. Oh my gosh, gotta walk fast. Oh my gosh, gotta walk fast. Oh my gosh, gotta walk fast. Oh my gosh, this is... Ready? Lauren, hold this, hold this. Hold it, hold it. Do you have mud on your hands? Look at all these. Now hold it. You know how to hold it, right? Ready? Ready? Yeah. See, this goes. Oh, let's come over here so that way we can actually look. Okay. Ready? Set. I guess like. Oh, that was bad. No, don't hold it that way. Hold it.
All right, back up a little, guys.
Terrible
Mom,
throw.
what's a skip rock? Is that like when the rock goes up and then comes back up and then...
Back up a little, Jaden.
Oh, I think I did it. Yeah, I did it.
No, you
Okay, let's
don't.
go get some more. So, were you even like filming anything? So, I'm just gonna like... Oh, that's a bus. I was like, what's that sound? Bye! That's it for our nature walk. And we're gonna continue skipping rocks. But bye for the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And if you want me to do more nature walks, Mom, we should do more nature walks over the summer. Which we are gonna do. Over the summer.
Some hiking over there.
Hiking. So, bye!